everyone, welcome back to my channel Sunbird Tarot, where insights take flight. So today we are looking at into the reading for my beautiful Libras, and it is an air element. Also, they are representatives, or maybe they are the ones who are very balanced. And also, you can look into this reading by your moon sign, your sun sign, or your astrological sign, rising sign, by astrological chart, your rising sign. And we will quickly pull out your cards so that we can look into the guidance that we have for my beautiful Libras in the month of June. So, what is the guidance for my Libras in the month of June? This one. Yes. And this is our tarot deck. So, we will look into this card. Wealthy man. Wow. There is a lot of wealth that is coming your way, and I'm focusing upon this. This is something that is working. It feels like, as if we will look into it. Maybe there was something that you were working upon and now is giving you the wealth. Yes. Oh wow, we have originality. This came exactly just I've done the reading for my Virgos, and this was the significator card in their chart. Sorry, in their reading. No, not Virgos. This was for Leos. And we have woman holding a coin. Definitely there is wealth that is coming your way, my dear Libras, and you are going to feel the abundance in the month of June. Something that you have stick to, something that you have being very hardworking about, being very thoughtful about. We have the star right in front of his forehead. I can see you have been working upon your mind, your ideas, your thoughts, and the things that made you feel that they were right. And you have worked upon and you have taken those actions which are now giving you the wealth in the month of June. There is a high emphasis on pentacles and something that with due time has been done and now is getting its rewards. That is so beautiful. So we will look into the guidance, further guidance with the help of our tarot cards. Oh wow. We have the Lovers. Okay, so what is the guidance for my dear Libras in the month of June? Thank you. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, we have so many cards. We have the Lovers straight up. It means that, my dear Libras, it was something that you have worked, as I was saying, something that you have worked a lot of dedication, with lot of love, with lot of care, and with lot of devotion. And now it is something that has, turned into something big, something that can, something that was previously in your mind and now has came into reality, or maybe now is coming into the reality and is generating you the wealth, which will make you ultimately fall in love with the thing that you have done for yourself. Okay. We have King of Cups. Wow, King of Cups in right next to the Lovers is like wish fulfillment. Okay, I was talking just about the wish fulfillment, and we have Ten of Cups. Definitely something that you have wished upon from so long, and you were waiting for it to ripe. You were waiting for it to work out, and I can see in the month of June it is highly working out for you, my dear Libras. The Magician. So many good energies and so much positive energies. Four of Swords, Two of Swords, and we'll keep this here. We will open it later. Okay, so I can see the Magician, Four of Swords, and Two of Swords. Okay, my dear Libras, there was something that was making you feel confused, at the same time was making you feel in your isolation. Something that was causing you, unsure, something that was maybe unsure for you at first, but now as it is right next to Ten of Cups, I can see that confusion is getting removed, and the wish that you have, that you were working upon from so long, and you have been giving it so much time, that now the guidance and the angels are coming through to fulfill this wish of yours. And we have the magician, the four of swords. Firstly, you were feeling like as if the things that you were doing, I'm mostly picking up this to be your business related stuff, something that you were working upon related to generating wealth, because we have pentacles here all over, and it is something that is uh, bringing you so much wealth. And by this I can see you have, by magician, you had all the resources, as if the things were set, the things were, you had the muscle memory in your hands to do a certain thing, and you have done it with a lot of compassion, with a lot of, we have the lovers, so you have done it with utmost love, with utmost care. King of cups is a care, yet very responsible person. You have taken the practical aspects as well as the spiritual aspects, because ultimately you are the balanced sign. So you have balanced the integrity of the thing that you are doing, the originality of the thing that you are doing, but giving it a touch of love by your hands. So this is something that is going to happen for you in the month of June. Something that you have worked upon so hard is bringing you the wealth and a wish fulfillment. We have five of cups. Okay, so yes, definitely it clears out the story here. There was something that you were feeling that is not working out the way it should, and it was something that caused you a bit of sadness, and maybe somewhere you might have felt that you have lost your way, or maybe things are not just gonna work out, and you might have somewhere also given up, you know, because this boy is just feels like he's just not ready anymore. And I can see you are now in the June, my dear Libras, getting out of this feeling, tapping back into your mind chakra, your crown chakra, and being thoughtful, being there with balance, holding the things the way they need to be, but at the same time, you are doing the things that are needed to sustain something. And it is a beautiful energy that I'm picking up for my dear Libras in the month of June. So, last but not the least, we have our guidance card by Lord Shiva, and he will be guiding us, my dear Leos. I'm so sorry, my dear Libras. In the month of June, we have two cards, okay, as to what is their guidance. It seems like you will be blessed with so much blessings that you have so many cards here. You have two angel cards, and also you are the sign of balance. So there is something that is coming up to you in the month of June by divine blessings. That is so beautiful. We have the first card as overburdened. Say no and release burden. You are taking on too much, trying to be everything to everyone, and as a result, feeling overburdened. Uh, does this not resonate with this card? Yes, it absolutely does, because you were doing something that was not making you feel happy, and it ultimately made you feel sad. So you are advised by Lord Shiva to not overburden yourself. Do the things that suit you, that are in line with you, and stop the things as like his palm is stopping, or say no to things that are not just right for you, or they do not feel good for you. Yes, we have the second guidance, destroyer, major change. Destruction is an inevitable part of creation. Be ready for an unanticipated and sudden big change in your life. Yes, definitely there is a major change, because we have 10 of cups here, and there is a major wish fulfillment that you have in your heart from so long, and you were working upon it from so much time, with so much dedication, with so much love, and now it is coming to its fruits. How beautiful. Okay, so this is where I see you at your reading, my dear Libras. I hope this resonates with you. If it does, please like and subscribe my channel. Do comment in the comment section as to how it resonates. and I will be seeing you in your next reading. Till then, bye bye.